Armed robbers don dey rob daytime for Nigeria o. Like this, more than 5 people die as armed robbers attempt to rob bank for Osun State. Yes, 4 na police officers wey die o, and the other 3 na citizens abi na civilians, na dem die for this kind armed robbery attack. So my people, make una see how these people take scatter bank, how dem dey shoot like say dem dey do war crusade for road. If una see, I no even wan talk plenty, make una use una eye watch the video.
CK Bank o.
Hey, don't go inside, no camera dey inside.
Camera go ni mama baya si. Ah, gba kere jajo ko so báyìí gba. Oh, ase ni ejo. CK Bank o. Ọmọ.
Omo, the person wey video this thing take risk o. See where bullet, people wey even dey shoot no even far from person wey dey video. He still dey video. He no even fear for him life. This kind thing, I think say na only for film e dey happen. Now see where people dey enter motor, dey shoot, dey shoot, dey shoot. Which kind Nigeria be this? And these people dey attack 2 banks for Ikere, Apoma area for Osun State o. As dem see say their robbery fail, na so these people try to escape. Now for their escape, dem just dey shoot. Abi una see for the video as dem dey shoot from the motor. Na escape, dem dey escape so. Na so dem dey shoot until dem go kill 3 civilians. Civilians wey dey on their own, innocent souls, dem go die. 4 police o, I no know the combat wey happen. Na so 4 police people take die. And these 3 civilians wey die, their name na Tobe Onyebola, and the other one name na Temiloru Adebiye. And the other one, dem say they never still identify the 3rd guy. These 3 people, dem be boys wey this bullet kill o. Like this now, they don carry the dead body of the police people and these boys go morgue, the Oluroyin Catholic Hospital morgue, Opomo. Now where dem carry these people go drop o. And now police say dem don put effort to see say dem catch these people. All this was na story for the gods. We don dey hear am for Nigeria. We are putting effort, we are investigating the case, and we are going to get them down. Story. Nothing say we don't dey hear. See people wey get ability and capability to shoot down 4 police officers. We don't even hear say dem kill any of the armed robbers. We don't even hear say at least dem shoot 1 hand or dem shoot 1 leg as dem dey try escape. Nothing. This one, they even professional pass police. People wey come rob, even if maybe they no finish their robbery or robbery no dey fully successful, the people then use their akonuche, they use their number 6. I don't know where police then they reason from. Where even 1 army, they no even, I been sorry, 1 armed robber, they no key, they no even catch anybody. Which kind Nigeria be this one? And then go tell you say, them train this armed robber, them train these police people, this one, that one. People wey dem train for how many years before dem become police, why dem no do anything to catch these people? At least catch one, make one bring others. Nothing. Like this, na so dem go scatter bank, rob, do wetin dem wan do, shoot people wey dem wan shoot, comot, free. This Nigeria don turn to another thing o. This Nigeria don turn to war front. See wetin dey happen. People just dey die for wetin dem no do. Like this, innocent people just stay, die. So my people, as I hear this one, I say, ma, bring am for una, make una hear o. Dem don dey rob bank daytime. I don't know whether this robbery dem do don affect people wey dey keep money for bank. That one I no fit tell. But my people, this one happen for the Osun State o, where they tell una. So everybody dey alert, dey careful. People don dey die for wetin dem no do. People don dey die for just waka and dey waka for street. You don hear say bullet don hit person, they don die. Everybody, make una dey careful o. So na the tori we carry come for una. If una get anything to talk concerning this matter, make una put am for the comment section. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you guys in our next video.